Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Pyare Hazur, my name is Anya and I'm from Majalis Rüsselsheim Süd. And if you allow, I would like to ask you one question referring to dreams and the interpretation of dreams.
Okay, all right.
So my question is, from how do I get to know if a dream is just a product of my fantasy or whether there is a deeper meaning? So in example, sometimes I dream things where I have the feeling that they could have potentially have a meaning. However, I'm not always that sure. So I was wondering whether there is a way to get to know whether there is a deep meaning or not.
You see, I have explained it on so many occasions that every person sees the dreams, at least 4 or 5 dreams during the night time. And most of them are just the views or the visions which you experience during the daytime, right? But there are some dreams which have very deep meanings and some interpretation. So dream itself tells you that it has some meaning. So for that either you ask somebody who can better interpret the dreams, or see in the book of the interpretation of the dreams, or you write to me. Whenever you see any dream you feel that it is quite serious, then you write to me, then I will give you the interpretation of it. Then you would like to know whether it is a good dream or the things which you desired and they were just boggling your mind during the daytime and then it came into the dream.
Inshallah, Jazakallah. Yeah. Jazakallah Hazur.
All right, next.